Can you answer this question about the Hardy-Weinberg equation? In a population of ladybugs, the gene pool consists of 1,500 dominant alleles and 500 recessive alleles. So the first question is going to ask, what's the population size and how many total alleles are there? If we add up the number of dominant versus recessive alleles, we're going to find there are 2,000 total alleles. Now, every individual is going to consist of 2 alleles, which means there are 1,000 ladybugs. Now for this population, calculate the P and Q frequencies. Remember that the P frequency represents the frequency of the dominant alleles, while the Q frequency represents the frequency of the recessive alleles. So to calculate the P and Q frequencies, you take the number of alleles, whether it's the dominant or recessive, and divide it by the total amount of alleles. In this case, for the dominant alleles, there are 1,500, so we're going to divide that by 2,000. And for the recessive alleles, there are 500, and we're also going to divide that by 2,000. And when you divide, you're going to find that the dominant alleles are 75% of the population and the recessive alleles account for 25% of the population. Now, that's not the final P and Q value because we typically convert these to a decimal. So that means the P value is going to be 0.75 and the Q value is going to be 0.25, which should make sense because when we add the P and Q value together, they should equal 1 or 100%.